Hey, let me just share something I've seen just recently. It's Saturday night, it's on the Gold Coast, and I'm up here just doing a bit of work, but something I noticed is a lot of people just treating the weekend as just a big, messy waste of a weekend. And it's just a time to party and basically get nothing done. And guys, I treat the weekend as an opportunity to do more. And not everyone's like that, but man, when I work, and it's you know, you can go out and have a drink, but man, if you want to be successful, you've got to work, and you've got to crack the whip sometimes on yourself and say, I've got all this time on the weekend, what else can I be doing apart from drinking myself into an early grave? And well, not an early grave, it's a bit dramatic, but you know, what else can you be doing to you know, for your business, for yourself? You can go to the gym, you can get up earlier, you can get more done, you can start a joint venture, you can start a business, you can sell stuff on Amazon, you can start looking at products. You know, there's so many things you can do apart from just partying the weekend away and drinking and being unproductive. So I just wanted to share that with you. It's just something I noticed recently, just in these high-rise sort of tower, you know, everywhere, Surfers Paradise, everywhere where you go, everyone's just gearing up for a party. And guess what? Parties, they're all good, but you know, at the end of the day, in the morning at 10 a.m, you know, I'll tell you what, it's a different story. So just keep that in mind, guys. Hey, have a great weekend. Hope you're productive on your weekend. Hope you get stuff done, and let's be productive. Let's actually do something. If you guys have been wanting to start a business on Amazon, then reach out to me. You know, I can help you with product ideas. I can assist you with getting something started. If you're looking for ideas, if you're looking for help, if you're looking for guidance on finding quality supplies, if you're looking for help on listing your product, I actually do list products. This is something that separates me from a lot of other people. As I stand by my work, I actually list your products for you. So I'm heading off to the casino. I'm off to see my wife there. We're having dinner there, and two of my friends. We're just gonna have a nice quiet dinner, and we'll be back in bed, or at home at least, at 9 o'clock. And tomorrow I've actually got a meeting at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow morning, so there's no drinking for me tonight. Guys, have a great weekend. I wish you all the best. Reach out if you need help. Bye-bye for now. My name's Alex Ryan. Are you looking to build a business on Amazon? Are you looking for hot products to sell? If you are, let's get this started. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell.
Never sold anything online before, I feel like, you know, I can actually get started and do it.
Product ideas? Yeah, I've got many product ideas out of it. Alex has been able to show us how to define and redefine what products sell the best.
Alex is friendly, he's outgoing, he answers everything. He doesn't put you off about anything. Yeah, he's really good.
Listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? Are you looking for advice or some training on setting up your Amazon business. Maybe you've been thinking about starting an Amazon business for a while, and the number one thing holding you back is you don't know the first steps. Maybe you're looking for product ideas, maybe you're not too sure how to go about listing it on Amazon, maybe you don't even know how to go about finding hot products or even suppliers on Alibaba, how to find good quality products, good quality suppliers, all right? So we find hot products in the room. We look at suppliers. We actually find suppliers in the room, all right? So make sure you bring a computer. We list products on Amazon in the room. So we actually do the entire thing at the 2-day training.
It's the first time I've met Alex face to face, and he came across as very much the way it is online, very heartwarming. He wants to be there for you, I get that. He's not just come to my seminars and you'll never see me. No, it's very much you'll meet me face to face. Whatever I'm telling you online is what I'll be telling you in person.
I'd recommend this conference for anyone that's really considering the online environment. One of the things that really impresses is the way that they've taught us not only the sales side, but also how to source the products, and that's why I was attracted to the course in the first place. So anyone that's thinking of selling products online, this course would actually be beneficial.